Millions of years ago, and thousands of miles from Ecuadorian coasts, various islands and islets surged from the bottom of the Pacific Ocean, pushed by the strength of countless underwater volcanoes. A great variety of plants and animals reached this place, adapted to the environment, and evolved until becoming a unique species in the world, changing forever our understanding of life on Earth. The Galapagos Islands, endemic plants and species have turned this place into a living laboratory and one of the main destinies for nature scientists and volcano specialists from around the world. Today, you can travel through many islands and islets of this fascinating archipelago on board the Galapagos Voyager. A first-class yacht carrying all required infrastructure needed to live an unforgettable experience on the Galapagos Island cabins. It relies on large social areas in which to relax and share new experiences. At the restaurant, travelers can enjoy the chef's specialties with buffet-type dishes. In addition to this, a bar where you will find all types of refreshing drinks that can be sampled while enjoying the view and the island's tropical weather. Our naturalist guides will share with you a detailed explanation of the flora and fauna in different languages during the different visits. The crew is widely experienced in open water navigation. The Galapagos Voyager relies on state-of-the-art technology and is equipped to safeguard all passengers in case of an emergency. You can visit the isles and islets in 4, 5, or 8-day cruises where wonderful natural landscapes enclose a great variety of unique species in the world. Every day you will carry out excursions where you will disembark on different islands on small and safe small boats, each with different characteristics. The places you will visit are fantastic sceneries, and you will be surprised by the biodiversity, which is abundant on these volcanic isles. Plazas, Genovesa, Española, Bartolomé, and many others can be visited in order to learn more about the eruption process of the underwater volcanoes. Visiting giant turtles in the wild is a unique experience. You can see these endemic giant turtles up close. On the Santa Cruz Isle, you will be able to visit the Charles Darwin Station, where the famous solitary George lives. It is the last giant species on the Pinta Island. On another excursion, you may be able to observe and take pictures of prehistoric reptiles, such as the Galapagos land iguanas. In many islands, these iguanas can be distinguished by their skin or their appearance. One of the endemic species from this island is the marine iguana, unique in the world due to its ability to immerse in the sea to find food. To be able to observe each one of the animals and volcanic landscapes through which the Galapagos Voyager travels is a real experience in adventure and knowledge. On Española, you will cohabit with large colonies of beautiful marine birds, blue-footed boobies, Nazca boobies, frigates, and birds that rest and nest near paths and steeps of the island. These birds' offspring, as well as the grandiose landscape, allows you to observe a beautiful scenery as a background for the real Galapagos Islands wildlife. Innumerable sea lions reach a white sanded beach to rest and share their space with visitors. You can relax next to these playful mammals, being part of an unforgettable scenery, unique on these enchanted islands. On one of the excursions offered by Galapagos Voyager, you can visit great mangles. Marine turtles reach this area to feed and breed. On the same area, you will find swamps formed by the rising of the tide, as well as where the flamingos, beautiful pink birds, feed. Many activities such as snorkeling and swimming will take place in these turquoise-colored waters. On the Galapagos Voyager, you will come across many small towns filled with friendly people. Here, you may be able to find out more about its history and traditions, or simply buy souvenirs or handcrafts. Each day spent on the islands will open to new places with unique characteristics, be it for its volcanic formation or for its endemic fauna and flora. You will always find something to discover and explore on each of these excursions. Genovesa can be found north of the archipelago, an enormous volcanic crater inside which it is possible to enter and walk shortly on its edge. The red-footed boobies will be seen in this area. These birds cohabit on the isles with the other types of boobies and a very special bird, the Galapagos owl. This part of the archipelago is ideal to observe the behavior and the way of life of marine birds living here. Unbelievable views such as Sleeping Lion Islet, Little Bartolome Islet, and all the white and golden beaches are all part of this extraordinary adventure. The possibility of observing unique animals in the world in their natural state is a fantastic experience that becomes unique while being able to observe them at a surprisingly short distance. The Galapagos Voyager is qualified to travel through the Galapagos Isles. In this first-class yacht, you will experience adventure and relaxing moments on this paradisical and unique isles of the world. Visit the Enchanted Islands, navigating on board of the Galapagos Voyager yacht, and enjoy a wonderful first-class vacation that you will never forget.